Welcome to the world of NetSuite. Think of it as your business's command center, handling financials, operations, and customer relations all in one. Now, classification in NetSuite is the backbone of organizing data. Classes, departments, and locations keep everything neat. Imagine running a business with no labels. It'd be chaos. These classifications make reports insightful and decisions easier. Stick around, and I'll show you how each one plays a vital role. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's get cozy with NetSuite, the cloud-based ERP powerhouse. If accounting, CRM, and e-commerce had a dream team, this would be it. Businesses love NetSuite because it streamlines financials and operations effortlessly. And the best part, customization. No two businesses are alike, so NetSuite lets you tweak settings to fit your needs. Get ready to uncover how this system can revolutionize your workflow. Ever tried finding a specific file in a messy room? That's business data without classification. NetSuite makes life easier by organizing information for smarter decisions. It's like sorting your socks. Saves time, makes tracking expenses simpler, and improves forecasting accuracy. When financials are structured, budgets behave, and reports actually make sense. Let's dive into how classification brings clarity. Imagine running a store without knowing which product sells where. That's where NetSuite classifications step in. Classes help categorize transactions, departments streamline activities, and locations track assets across different sites. Think of it as organizing your closet, shirts in one place, shoes in another, so everything stays accessible. With these classifications, financial insights become crystal clear. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into department-based reporting. Because let's face it, tracking finances without structure is like herding cats. First, it helps us monitor financial performance by department, so we know who's thriving and who needs a pep talk. Second, it makes budgeting and forecasting less of a guessing game. Third, it boosts accountability. No more finger pointing. And finally, it empowers smarter decisions. So, let's get organized and make those numbers work for us. All right, let's talk about NetSuite locations. Think of them as the GPS for your business operations. Locations represent physical or operational sites, making inventory tracking a breeze. They also help keep transactions in check. No more mystery stock shortages. Plus, they improve reporting accuracy, so your data isn't playing hide and seek. And if you're managing multiple locations, NetSuite ensures everything runs smoothly. So, let's embrace the power of location and keep things on track. Setting up locations in NetSuite is like setting up a new office, except without the coffee machine drama. First, we define location attributes, so each site has its own identity. Then, we assign locations to transactions, ensuring everything is properly recorded. Next, we map inventory correctly, because misplaced stock is a nightmare. Finally, we customize settings to fit business needs. With these steps, your locations will be as organized as a well-run coffee shop. Managing multiple locations can feel like juggling flaming torches, but NetSuite makes it easier. First, it provides centralized control, so you don't have to chase data across different sites. Second, it streamlines inventory distribution, ensuring stock moves efficiently. Third, it improves communication between locations. No more lost emails. And finally, it boosts operational efficiency, making your business run like a well-oiled machine. So, let's master multi-location management and keep things running smoothly. Integration is the secret sauce to making NetSuite work seamlessly. First, it aligns financial data across classes, departments, and locations. no more mismatched reports. Second, it ensures reporting consistency, so your numbers don't tell conflicting stories. Third, it enhances decision-making by providing clear insights. And finally, it simplifies data analysis, making life easier for finance teams. So, let's integrate smartly and make data work for us. Proper classification in NetSuite is like labeling your spice jars. Without it, things get messy. First, it improves financial tracking, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. Second, it enhances reporting accuracy, so your data doesn't play tricks on you. Third, it supports strategic planning, helping businesses grow smartly. And finally, it reduces errors, because fixing mistakes is never fun. So, let's classify wisely and keep things running smoothly. Every system has its challenges, and NetSuite is no exception. First, data inconsistencies can be a headache, but proper classification fixes that. Second, the setup process can feel overwhelming, but following best practices makes it manageable. Third, integration difficulties arise, but smart planning smooths the way. And finally, user adoption can be tricky, so training and support are key. Let's tackle these challenges head-on and make NetSuite work for us. We've covered a lot today, so let's wrap it up. First, proper classification enhances efficiency, because organized data is powerful. Second, multi-location management simplifies operations, making business smoother. Third, integration improves reporting and decision-making, ensuring smart strategies. And finally, overcoming challenges ensures long-term success. So, let's take these insights and make NetSuite work like a charm. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.